Hello, DJIJ Speaker Guy here. Welcome to another video. You probably have not seen a new video from me in a while, and that is just because I've been busy with college, so decided to make a video over break. I have a really interesting topic, and that is not just these speakers, these Sonys, also those. Well, there are a few others too. What do they all have in common? These are single driver speakers. That is, they only use one of these to produce sound. There's no like woofer or tweeter or anything separate. Now, you might be wondering about these Sonys. Well, just looking at these, they definitely have a woofer and a tweeter, don't they? Well, let me tell you a little secret about these. That is indeed a driver. That, on the other hand, is indeed a bass port. Now you know what's going on here. These are single driver speakers, and they are also the speakers that you hear in the background. They don't sound too bad. And do note the fact that there's a lot of mid-range frequencies on these speakers. That is, whatever's going on between what a woofer and a tweeter would normally produce. That area in a lot of speakers tends to be flawed, and these single driver speakers handle it really well. I will often listen to music on these just because the vocal clarity on a single driver speaker in some cases, if they're made right. Not every single driver speaker is completely awesome, but well, they're using the hard plastic dust cap as a tweeter, basically. A lot of nicer full-range speakers will actually have a whizzer that is a cone within a cone, like that, as well. Not a lot of newer speakers have that, because they're not really as common of a product lately. To be fair, I might have lied when I say they're not really a common product lately. Bluetooth speakers are mostly single drivers with a tuned passive radiator, which is on this Sony, it's underneath here. This is also a single driver here with a tuned passive radiator, like a rectangle one there. Another passive radiator back here. You can kind of see the outline of it. And I'm going to turn up the bass. These boxes are tuned really well. These ports are incredible. They're probably my favorite of my single driver speakers. I'm gonna give you a little sound test of some of my other single driver speakers that I have in my collection. Hold on. Hold on. I think that's out of phase. Oops. Oops. That was really loud.
Where rewards are given.
Classic crust pizza.
Let's grab Dustin here and lock it away.